Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem your Amazon gift cards in the UK. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now for this video I'm going to be doing it on the Amazon website, however this can also be done on the mobile app as well. The process won't be exactly the same, however it is pretty similar. So as long as you follow the rough steps, you will be able to do this on your mobile as well. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Amazon website or the app. And if you head over to the top right corner, you should be able to see the section that says your name as long as you are logged in. And then we just want to go down to where it says your account and we're just going to click on that. Now when you click on that, we'll see a few different options. But since we're trying to redeem an Amazon gift card, we're going to go over to this section here that says gift cards and top up. Now when using these Amazon gift cards, you can't just use them at checkout. You do have to redeem them first. So now that we're on this section, we can click this redeem a gift card button and now we can enter in our claim code. If we're not sure what a claim code is, we can hover over this and it says how a claim code is 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers. And they give us an example down here just to show you what it should look like. Now they also say dashes are not required, so you can just put in the letters and numbers in here. And then once you're ready, you can go ahead and click apply to balance. And then your balance down here will get updated with the amount that's on your gift card. Now, once it has finally been added into your balance, you can then go to checkout on any item that you want. And then instead of paying with a credit card or something like that, there will be an option to pay with your gift card balance. And then once you do that, it will then take that money out of your balance from here. So that's how you can redeem an Amazon gift card in the UK. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.